The Seattle Coffee Secret.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Emerald City Brew. How is your day going so far?
Oh, hello. It's going well, thank you. Although I'm a bit overwhelmed by the rain outside.
That's just Seattle welcoming you. So what can I get for you today?
I'm not sure. I'd like to order a coffee, but I usually just drink black coffee at home. What do you recommend for someone who wants something special?
Well, our signature vanilla latte is very popular this week. We use local honey and a bit of cinnamon.
Is it very sweet? I don't like drinks that taste like candy.
Not at all. It's balanced. It has creamy steamed milk and 2 shots of our strongest espresso to keep the coffee flavor.
That sounds exactly like what I need. I'll take a latte, please.
Great choice. Small, medium, or large? Most people go for the medium.
Medium is perfect. And please, no extra sugar. The honey is enough.
Got it. Anything else to eat? We have some fresh blueberry muffins and turkey sandwiches.
Actually, do you have any vegan snacks?
We have dark chocolate oat cookies. They were baked just an hour ago.
Perfect. I'll take one of those.
Excellent. Your total comes to $7.45.
Can I pay by card? I don't have any cash on me today.
Of course. Just tap your card or phone right here. Done. Please wait a moment at the end of the bar.
Thank you. By the way, is it always this quiet in the afternoons?
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I just moved to this neighborhood yesterday. I'm still exploring.
Welcome to the area. Usually it's much busier, but between 2 and 4 p.m. it's quite calm. It's a great time to read or work.
I noticed that. It feels very comfortable and cozy. I love the wooden decor.
We try our best. We want it to feel like a second home for the locals.
Well, it's working. I like the quiet atmosphere here.
Here is your latte and your cookie. Enjoy.
Thank you very much for your help and the recommendation.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day in Seattle.
You too. See you tomorrow, probably.
Dreaming of the Swiss Alps.
Hey, Marcus, have you planned your summer vacation yet? June is almost here. Not yet, Alina. Honestly, I'm still thinking about it every night, but I can't make a decision. You really should decide soon. Prices are going up, and the best hotels are booking up fast. I know. My problem is that I just can't choose between the beach and the mountains. Well, what kind of vacation do you usually prefer? Do you like being active or just lying down? I want something relaxing, but I hate being bored. I thought about the beach in Spain, but it might be too hot. Beaches are beautiful, but they can be very crowded and noisy in July. You won't find much peace there. That's exactly what I'm afraid of. I need to clear my head. What about the mountains? Maybe Switzerland or Austria? Hiking sounds peaceful. I've seen photos of the Swiss Alps and they look incredible. Fresh air, blue lakes, and beautiful views. It's much cooler than the coast. I really like that idea. It sounds like a real escape from the city. Or you could do a city trip to somewhere like Prague. No, I work in an office all day. I don't want too much noise or traffic. I want nature. Then nature is definitely better for you. Have you decided where you're going, by the way? I think I've settled on visiting my family's cabin near a lake in Canada. Oh, that sounds lovely. What do you do there? We usually spend the whole day outside. We swim in the morning, hike in the afternoon, and cook over a fire in the evening. Marcus, I'm jealous. I need a vacation like that too. You work way too much lately. I agree. I think these vacations really help you recharge your batteries for the rest of the year. Absolutely. So when will you actually take your leave? Probably the last 2 weeks of July. That's a great time for the lake. But listen, you should book your flight tonight. You're right. I'll check the prices online as soon as I get home. Good idea. I can already see the excitement on your face. Planning is definitely half the fun. Thanks for helping me figure it out.
The New York winter coat.
Good morning. Welcome to Fifth Avenue Outerwear. How can I help you today?
Hi there. I'm looking for a new jacket. My old one isn't warm enough for this New York wind.
I understand perfectly. The wind here can be brutal. What kind of style do you have in mind?
I need something very warm for the peak of winter. Maybe something waterproof too?
We have several options. Do you prefer a short, sporty style or a longer coat for a more professional look?
Probably a long coat. I wear suits to work, so I need it to look good over a jacket.
Follow me. We have this new collection here. This dark gray wool coat is one of our best sellers.
It looks very nice, but is it heavy? I hate feeling like I'm carrying a brick on my shoulders.
It's actually made of a special lightweight wool blend. It's warm, but not too heavy at all.
Can I try it on? I'm usually a size large.
Of course, the fitting room is right over there behind the mirror.
Thanks. Give me a second.
Take your time. How does it feel around the shoulders?
It's very comfortable and soft, but I think it's a little tight when I move my arms.
That might be because of your sweater. Would you like to try one size bigger? I have an XL in the same color.
Yes, please. Let's try the XL.
Here you go. Try this one.
Oh, this fits much better. I have more room to move now.
It looks great on you. The length is perfect for your height.
Thank you. I really like the color too. It's classic.
Dark colors are great because they are easy to match with any scarf or hat.
Speaking of scarves, do you have anything that matches?
We have these 100% wool scarves over here. This navy blue one would look excellent with that gray.
This one is incredibly soft. Is it warm?
It's very warm and windproof.
I'll take both then. I don't want to freeze tomorrow.
Great choice. Let's go to the counter. The coat is $150 and the scarf is $35.
That's very reasonable for this quality.
Would you like to pay by cash or card today?
Card, please. There you go.
All set. You're ready for the New York winter now.
Finally. Thanks for all your help, Sarah.
A dinner in Rome.
Buonasera. I hope you are enjoying your evening in Rome. How was the food?
Good evening. Well, actually, I think there might be a small problem with my order.
Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that. Please, tell me, what seems to be the issue?
I ordered the grilled chicken with herbs, but this dish here, it looks and tastes like beef.
Let me see the plate for a moment. I see.
I might be mistaken because of the sauce, but I really don't think this is chicken.
You are absolutely right, Signora. This is our beef tagliata. I apologize sincerely for the mistake. Our kitchen is very busy tonight.
It's okay. I know mistakes happen, especially on a Saturday night. I just wanted to mention it because I don't eat much red meat.
Thank you for being so calm and kind about it. Many customers get angry.
There's no reason to be angry. I understand how stressful a busy restaurant can be.
We will fix it right away. I will talk to the chef immediately.
How long do you think it will take? My friend has almost finished her meal.
It will take about 10 minutes. The chicken is already being prepared.
That's fine. I can wait. 10 minutes isn't too long.
While you wait, would you like a free glass of wine or a cold drink? On the house, of course.
That's very kind of you, Marco. A cold, sparkling water would be great. Thank you.
Coming right up. We always try to make things right for our guests.
I really appreciate the good service. It makes a big difference.
Thank you. The kitchen is making your dish top priority now.
Good, because I walked a lot today near the Colosseum, and I am very hungry.
I can imagine. Rome is a city for walking. The restaurant is especially crowded because of the holiday weekend.
The atmosphere is still very nice. I love the live music outside.
We're glad you like it. We try to keep it welcoming and authentic.
I'll definitely come back here again and tell my friends.
We are happy to hear that. Here comes the new plate now. Please check if it's correct this time.
Yes, this is definitely the grilled chicken. It smells delicious.
Perfect. Enjoy your meal, and I will bring your water in a second.
Thank you for your help, Marco.
You're very welcome. Have a pleasant evening in Rome.
The Tokyo Garden View.
Good evening. Welcome to the Sakura Grand Hotel. How can I help you tonight?
Good evening. I'd like to book a room, please. I hope you have something available.
Certainly. For how many nights are you planning to stay with us?
Just for 2 nights. I'm leaving on Thursday morning.
Do you have a reservation already, or are you a walk-in guest?
No, I don't have one. I decided to travel to Tokyo very suddenly this morning for a quick trip.
No problem at all. Let me check our system for any last-minute availability.
Thank you. I was worried everything would be full because of the season.
Luckily, we had one cancellation just an hour ago. We do have a room for you.
Oh, that's such a relief. I was looking at 3 other hotels and they were all booked.
It's your lucky day. Now, would you like a single or a double room?
A single room is perfectly fine for me. I'm traveling alone.
Understood. And do you prefer a room with a city view or a garden view?
A garden view, if it's possible. I need some quiet.
We have a lovely room on the 4th floor facing our traditional Japanese garden.
That sounds exactly like what I need. Is it quiet at night?
It's very peaceful. You won't hear any of the street traffic from there.
Perfect. How much does it cost per night?
The price is $120 per night, and that includes a full buffet breakfast.
Breakfast is included? That's great. What time is it served?
It's served in the main hall from 6:30 to 10 a.m. We have both Western and Japanese options.
That's very convenient. May I see your ID or passport, please?
Sure, here it is. Also, is there Wi-Fi available in the room?
Yes, it is free and unlimited for all our guests. You can find the login details on your keycard.
Great. I have some work emails to check before I sleep.
The signal is very strong on the 4th floor. Do you need any help with your luggage?
No, thank you. I only have this one small bag, so I can manage easily.
As you wish. The elevator is just to your left. Here is your keycard. Room 412.
Thank you so much for your help, Kenji.
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your stay in Tokyo.